McKeto Strawberry Milkshake. Growing up as a kid, I had my fair share of fast food takeout. Some of them I still miss to this day and try to recreate, a lot of the time in failure, but don't tell anyone. One of them that I was thinking about lately? McDonald's Strawberry Milkshake. Their disgustingly sweet syrup mixed into ice cream and served up to me in the nostalgic paper cup. Not the most beautiful thing to remember from my childhood, but it certainly holds something dear in my heart. Well, I think I've done it because this one comes pretty close to the real thing. It's thick, creamy, and packed full of that strawberry flavor that I've come to know and love with milkshakes. Plus, you can have it ready in a shorter time than it'd take you to wait in a drive-thru. On top of that, it's not 90g of carbs like their recipe is, and it's got plenty of healthy fats to go around and keep you energized. Ingredients: 1. 3/4 cup coconut milk. 2. 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream. 3. 7 large ice cubes. 4. 2 tablespoons sugar-free strawberry Torani. 5. 1 or 2 tablespoons MCT oil. 6. 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum. Instructions: 1. Add all ingredients to a blender, 3/4 cup coconut milk, from the carton, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 7 ice cubes, 2 tablespoon. Sugar-free strawberry Torani, 1 to 2 tablespoon. MCT oil, and 1/4 teaspoon. Xanthan gum. I'm using a Ninja blender with mini Ninja attachment. 2. Blend everything together for 1 to 2 minutes or until the consistency looks right to you. 3. Pour out and enjoy. This makes 1 serving of McKeto strawberry milkshake. The totals come out to be 368 calories, 38.85 g fats, 2.42 g net carbs, and 1.69 g protein.